morning, students. Today our topic is work study. It is the concept related to the operations management. What is meant by it? Now we will discuss regarding the introduction of work study. What is the introduction of that? What is the history of that? Then we will discuss the detailed information regarding work study. First of all, with increasing complexity of the technological world, we need to simplify the work system has been increasing day by day. It will helps the work study to minimize the work system what is increasing the work day by day. Work study is an era of knowledge that addresses the problem of work simplification with the basic objective, that is productivity enhancement, human comfort and safety. Based on this basic objective, the work study has to be given. It is addressing the problem to simplify the work. And coming to the evaluation of work study, F.W. Taylor, founder of modern method and time study. Taylor begins his time study work in 1881 itself. He established that each job should have a standard time determined by time studies. By determination of time studies, he established each job should have a standard time. In the timing process, Taylor advocated dividing the work into small divisions of effort known as elements. He has to be divided a work into elements that will be a small parts of the work. Time study was obtained for these elements individually and their collective values were used to determine the allocated or allowed time for the task. Each and every task has a certain time. That certain time we have to collaborate with all the work. Certain time will be happen for one particular task. For mingling of all the tasks, that gives the meaning of collective work. And we have to thought about another person in the work study. He is Gilbert. He is also worked for the work study in a different scenario. Gilbert is considered as the founder of modern motion study technique. He is the founder of modern motion study time technique, which is defined as the study of body motions used in performing an operation for the purpose of improving the operation. For improving the operation, he is studied the motions of a people body and he has to be given to improve the work efficiency. For improving the operations, what he has to given means eliminating unnecessary motions. For identifying the unnecessary motions that we have to be eliminate in our work. For that purpose, he is studied the motion study. And simplifying necessary motions. What are the necessary motions are required for work completion? For that work, he is simplifying that motions in different scenarios. And he established the most favorable motion sequences for the maximum efficiency. For getting of maximum efficiency, he established the most favorable motions. These are the introduction about the our eminent personalities related to the F.W. Taylor and Gilbert. And coming to the work study, it is a generic term for those techniques, method study and work measures which are used in examination of human work in all its context and which lead systematically to the investigation of all the factors which affect the efficiency and economy of the situation begin reviewed in order to effect improvement. The work study, in simple terms, the work study is aims to simplify the work and improve the work activity. In the work study is the technique that is mingling of method study and work measurement or time study or motion study. Work study deals with the techniques of method study and work measurement which are employed to ensure the best possible use of human, mission, material, resources in carrying out a specific or specified activity. Once again, work study deals with the techniques of method study and work measurement which are employed to ensure that best possible use of human, mission and material resources in carrying out a specified activity. And coming to the definition, work study is defined as the body of knowledge concerned with the analysis of the work methods and the techniques or equipments used in performing a job, the design of an optimum work method and the standardization of proposed work methods. Work study is defined as the body of knowledge concerned with the analysis of the work methods, and the equipments used in performing a job, the design of an optimum work method, and the standardization of proposed work methods. And what is the objective of work study? The objective of work study concerned with finding better ways of doing work and avoiding waste in all its forms. Work study is concerned with finding a better ways of doing work and eliminating or avoiding the waste things. Objective of work study is assist the management to obtain the optimum use of human, mission, material resources available to the organization for the accomplishment of the work to done. And the management has to be analyzed regarding the work study, the present methods of doing work or jobs systematically in order to develop a new and better methods. It will help. And work study will help the measure the work content of the job by measuring time requirement to do the job for a qualified worker and hence to establish the standard time for a particular work. To increase the productivity by ensuring the best possible use of human, mission, material, resources and to achieve best quality products, services at a minimum possible cost and time. to improve operational efficiency. These are only the work method objectives. In this, we observed to develop a new better methods, measuring the time required to do the job by ensuring the best possible use of human, mission and material resources to achieve the high quality of products and services to a possible or minimum cost and minimum time. And also we have an objective of work study is to improve the operational efficiency. What is the work we have done in particular work, in that what is the efficiency will be there. And work study components already we discussed. It is a technique or method. Work study is a technique of method study and work measurement. Here we are showing the work study is the method and work measurement to get the higher productivity. In the method study, to simplify the job and develop more economical method of doing work. For doing of method study in a work study, to simplifying the job and develop more economical method of doing work. We are spending less cost and we are doing the work with the simplified method. It is possible through the method study. And in work study, another component is work measurement or time study. It is to aim for measuring to determine the standard time for a doing of an operation. It provides the standard time for doing of particular activity. For doing of work study with the help of method and work measurement, we get higher productivity. And method study, it is a systematic recording and critical examination of existing and proposed ways of doing work as means of developing and applying easier and more effective methods and reducing the cost and time. And earlier we discussed regarding this, and we have to discuss work measurement or time study. It is the application of technique designed to establish the time for a qualified worker to carry out a specified job at a defined level of performance. Defined level of performance on particular work, how they can be completed, for providing the standard time by studying of time study. And work study procedure, how the work study procedure will be. Work study procedure will be in the different steps like selection, recording, examination, developing, measuring, define, install and maintain. These are the different steps in the work study procedure. And in work study procedure, how it will be? Means by influencing methods, time study in production activity, those are methods and time study, how it will involves engineering, production control, industrial relation, controller, sales, manufacturing. These are all the influencing methods, time study, production activity. For making of a production, different influence methods and time studies we have, and we will be controlled over here. What are the things are influenced of method and time study means? For production and control, method analysis show how the work is best accomplished. For industrial relation, good labor relations results from equitable wage based on work content. Controller, Standard costs are based on standard time. Sales. Production cost is largely a function of manufacturing method and measurement control. And engineering. Time standards indicate how long it should take to do a complete work. Quantity and quality control rely on time standards of process analysis. Product and process design incorporate method and process planning. These are all different influences will comes under the production activity related to the method and time study. Here we have method study analysis for the manufacturing, production control, quality and control, quantity and quality control, industrial relation, good relation related to time study. It belongs to the human resource or motion study. It belongs to the time study. Controller standard cost, it will also be based on the method. Sales production cost, it is also based on the method study. Engineering method, product and design and improving, and standard time, it is also method study. These are all the different influencing factors in the production activity related to the method and time study. And work content can be categorized into basic work content, excess work content. Reasons for excess work content: defects in design, inefficiency methods of manufacture, shortcoming of the management, workman attributes. These are all the reasons for the excess work content. Basic work content is the what we are already decided, that is the basic work content. Excess work content means what we measured, what we have already specified for work, that is getting more than specified one means excess work content. It is comes with the different reasons, that is the defects in the design in a production, and inefficient methods of manufacturing methods, shortcomings of the management, workman attributes related to the workers. And manufacturing time here, we are thought about the work study, how it will be means, it will be basic work content and work content and added due to the defects in design or specification of products, work content added by inefficient method of manufacture, ineffective method due to shortcoming of management, ineffective time within the control of workers, and total work will be there here, and total operation. Here you have to observe in a work study, we have to complete one particular work. In that particular work we have total content and total ineffective time also. Here the basic time and excess work content is there for completion of total time operation. Total work is in the total work we have a total inefficient time also. Total time of operation have a total work content and total inefficient time. Total inefficient time will be getting through different reasons that we are specified over here, that is different situations, work content added due to defects in design or specification of products, and here B, work content added by inefficient methods of manufacture, and C, ineffective time due to shortcoming of management, and D, ineffective time within the control of workers. We are specifying ineffective in the example like A, B, C, D, here for measuring of one particular work content, in this work content manufacturing time is the total time of operation. Total time of operation or manufacturing time will consist of total work content and total ineffective time. Total work content and ineffective time will be causes with the basic work content and ineffective time work content. It is shown in the picture here, total manufacturing time. It is the information regarding the work study. And next class, next video, we will discuss regarding the in the work study we are deals with the different techniques of method study and work measurement. Next video we will discuss regarding the method study. Thank you one and all.